Hi, we just saw how a spectrometer is put together, how it is aligned. Now that it is aligned, we are going to put it on a frame. Here you can see the spectrometer, and you can see one more camera out here. This camera is going to see exactly the way our eyes can see, so the visible region, and the spectrometer here is going to see the infrared region. So the next question is, how are they both seeing the same scan line? So we have two mirrors here which are specifically coated such that this visible camera receives visible signal, and the spectrometer receives the infrared region of the signal. So the next step is to ensure that the camera, the visible camera and the spectrometer are looking at the same object, that is the same scan line. So to start that, here is the target with dotted lines, and it is set up on the table such that it is going to be parallel to the belt. And then I'm going to move the visible camera first and ensure that I'm seeing all the lines in its field of view. So to do that, I'm going to turn the lights on. Here I am adjusting the visible camera, and I'm moving it enough so that I'm able to see all the lines. I'm going to tighten it up here. And once this is tightened up, I'm going to move on to the spectrometer. And spectrometer has some adjustment rings here, so I'm going to move that around until I see the dotted lines. So now that I have ensured that both the spectrometer and the visible camera are seeing the same scan line, which would mean they are going to see the object at the same time, the next step is going to be putting on the calibrated lamps. So Danielle is going to show us how the lamps are put together and how it's going to come back here and how we run our calibration. So on to Danielle from here.